Welcome back to Agentic AI, the future of intelligent systems. After celebrating our 50th episode and reflecting on how to stay ahead of autonomous systems, not by outcompeting them, but by outframing their design, it's time to look forward, not just at what AI will do, but what we as humans are uniquely positioned to become. As Agentic AI evolves, so too must the architecture of human roles. We often hear the question, what jobs will disappear? But a better question is, what new layers of responsibility, creativity, and decision making will humans take on when reasoning, memory, and execution are increasingly handled by intelligent agents? That's where the idea of the human stack comes in. Just as a software stack defines how components build on one another to deliver value, the human stack redefines how people interface with, augment, and elevate AI systems. It's not about resisting automation, it's about repositioning ourselves above it, beside it, and within it. At the base of this stack lies context engineering. These are the humans who craft the world agents perceive, designing prompts, curating grounding data, setting constraints, and tuning objectives. Think of them as architects of perception. They don't just write instructions, they frame the reality that agents will operate in. Their role is subtle yet profound. They shape how AI interprets, not just what it executes. Rising above that layer is the role of AI system composers, those who stitch together agents, tools, data, and workflows into cohesive orchestration. While agents can self delegate, the overall strategy, alignment with business intent, and balance across efficiency, ethics, and sustainability still require human composition. These roles resemble conductors, not of code, but of cognition, distributed across a multi agent ecosystem. Next comes behavioral calibration. As agents become more adaptive, we need humans who act as behavioral reviewers, watching for drift, surfacing emergent patterns, and ensuring alignment not through static rules, but through continuous observation and value enforcement. These roles are the quality controllers of machine behavior, applying soft skills like judgment, trust sensing, and psychological intuition to intelligent systems. Layered above that are the responsibility anchors. In a world where decisions are increasingly made by autonomous logic, someone must remain accountable, not just for audit trails, but for value congruence. These are individuals who represent the enterprise's ethical core, embedding ESG principles, regulatory compliance, and public trust into the heart of AI operations. They are not technologists per se, but trustees of societal alignment. And finally, at the top of the human stack is what only humans can do: sense making. It's where pattern recognition becomes insight, where decisions are shaped by intuition, imagination, and the messiness of real world context. Sense makers sit with ambiguity, resolve contradictions, and make meaning from systems that may be too complex or emergent for any single agent to understand. This isn't just a job, it's a human art. So, as agentic AI grows more capable, we must resist the temptation to think in terms of replacement. What's truly emerging is relayering. Humans are moving up the stack, not away from relevance, but toward roles that require reflection, values, judgment, and synthesis. This redefinition won't happen automatically. It demands new training paradigms, new ways of measuring success, and a shift in how organizations design teams. But those who embrace it will unlock a uniquely powerful combination: intelligent systems operating at scale, grounded by deeply human direction. The future of work in the agentic era isn't about surviving AI, it's about elevating humanity. Thank you for tuning in. Stay with us as we continue exploring the evolving relationship between people and intelligent systems, together designing the future of agentic AI.